Tired of digging through browser tabs just to get to Wise on your desktop? I get it. You want the convenience of a real app, something you can click open instantly without hunting through bookmarks. Well, I've got great news. I'll show you how to install it as a real app in under a minute. No downloads from some sketchy site, no workarounds, just a simple trick using a feature that's probably already built into your browser. So here's the plan. We're going to use a built-in browser feature to turn the Wise website into a standalone app. It sounds fancy, but I promise it's just 3 simple steps. And by the end, you'll have a dedicated app icon sitting on your desktop, ready for one-click access. Let's start by navigating to the Wise website in your browser. Go ahead and open whatever browser you normally use. Chrome, Edge, it doesn't matter. Head over to wise.com and log into your account like you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, look up to the upper right corner of your browser window. See those 3 little dots? That's your browser's menu button. Go ahead and click that. Now, this next part is where the magic happens. We're looking for a menu option that handles sharing and saving. So from that drop-down menu, find the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. It might look a little different depending on your browser, but it's usually in the same general area. Hover your mouse over that, and a submenu will pop out to the side. And here's the really important part. Look for the option that says Install Page as App. It might also say Install Wise or something similar. Click that. Your browser will now treat the Wise website like a real application. A dialog box will pop up asking you to confirm the installation. It'll probably show you the app name and where it's going to live on your computer. Just hit the Install button. This might take a moment to process. And there it is. The app window opens up automatically, looking and feeling just like a native desktop application. It's got its own window, its own taskbar icon, the whole deal. From my experience setting this up across different browsers, this is by far the cleanest way to get Wise working like an app. Once the installation is complete, you can launch it anytime from your desktop or start menu. Just double-click that icon and you're straight into Wise. No more typing in the URL, no more clicking through browser tabs. But I want to take this one step further because I've tested this process a bunch and found a trick that makes it even faster. For even quicker access, right-click that new app icon in your taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. Now it's always there, one click away, every time you turn on your computer. It really feels like you've got the full desktop experience. And that's it. You went from digging through browser tabs to having Wise as a dedicated app on your desktop in just a few minutes. Everything's faster now. Checking balances, sending money, tracking transfers. It's a small change that makes a surprisingly big difference in your daily workflow. Hope that helps you get the most out of Wise on your desktop.